channel. So today in this video I will be just talking about my skin today. It's not the perfect skin because girl been busy and girl been but as I stopped skin lightening for a while now, and I try to treat my skin as much as possible. Acne here and there, bumps here and there, dark spot here and there, but girls still I try to do a thing while have a busy schedule. But anyway, let me tell you something. I was reviewing this the other day, like Dr. Davy face and body whitening lotion, and them say it works in space of 3 days. So see what it look like. Let us show now what it look like, right? And them say it works in space of 3 days. Okay, first of all, it smells like any normal lotion, normal body lotion. I don't see what it do for me, like, yeah, but as I tell you, I stop skin lightening for a while now, a good while. So, and I have not been putting nothing on my skin other from trying to do the normal, scrubs, wash my face with soap, using hydrocortisone cream, but I don't use that a lot. I use that like maybe 1 and 2 times. I use baby oil, baby oil out on my skin. It helps, it works. And people, if you don't have the money to afford the expensive stuff, and if you can't, you can use baby oil on your belly. You can use baby oil on your hands, especially people who do skin lightening. Use up the baby oil because it works preventing stretch marks. I love use oil on my skin, honestly. Love it using oil. When you use oil, and it no matter which baby oil, you can use Johnson baby oil, right? You can use any baby oil that is possible. So as long as it's baby oil, use it. You see me? And it works. It works. It has been working for me since I stopped using skin lightening product on my skin, and I feel like as much as my face don't brown now, but I feel good for now until me maybe start back somewhere around the line. But right now my main focus is to see how best I can get back glowing skin without have to use a lot of products on my skin. I know some of you guys use lightening products and you wonder if you could go back to how you looked before, or even better, darling, like, right? So I am focusing on that at this point. I'm not going to promise anyone that I'm going to use any lightening cream right now, other from using that for the little 3 days, and I'll just show you what I have like on my skin. But for now, girl, not using any form of lightening product. As you can see, I have 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 dark spots because I've been bursting the bumps. I'm not lying. We've been bursting the bumps because sometimes you just looking at my radar. But hopefully I'm going to try out something new. I don't know what I'm going to try with when I start back, but as I say, for as I can do reviews and all about Carotone and Caro White. Carotone, I love Carotone. Caro White, when you use Caro White, it make you pretty, and then after it give you a shabby shabby complexion afterwards. BioClear, nice. BioClear will make your face look, you know. But I tried other day, but it is not really not my favorite, even though they say hydroquinone or whatsoever is not in it, but they have been tampering with those products lately. So you don't know what is in the product. Maybe them change the name from hydroquinone to some other name